In this time, Laravel is the best PHP framework to the developer. In this video, we want to learn how to install Laravel to your computer. At first, you have to go to the Google. Here, you have to just type get composer. You can see there is a link of getting composer. I am clicking this. Now I have to click the download button. Here you can see the composer setup.exe. You have to click this and your composer will be started to download. The composer has been downloaded here. I have to click this composer setup. It's very necessary thing that you have to install XAMPP at first. XAMPP installation is essential for installation of Laravel. So at first you have to install the XAMPP. After that you have to download the composer and install it. How can you install the XAMPP? In another video I have described this elaborately. I am giving the description to install and making a project, simple project with the XAMPP in this video. I will give the link of this video in the description of current video. Suppose you have installed the XAMPP on your computer. Now I have to click the composer setup, install for all users, recommended. That yes, developer mode, there is a checkbox, you can check it, developer mode. Then next, then C drive composer. Then next, there the XAMPP php.exe. Firstly, I have told you that XAMPP is very essential to install Laravel. So you have to install XAMPP at first, and there the root or the path of the Laravel. Here you can see. If you don't have this path, you have to click the browse option. Here you have to click the local disk C, and you have to click the XAMPP folder, and there the htdocs folder, and there the htdocs, the php folder, and there the php, and the next. I am showing this again. If you do not have this path, you have to click the browse option, and there after that you have to click the local disk C, and you have to click the XAMPP folder. Here you can see the php folder. It is the php folder. Now you have to a file named by php. You have to click over this on this, and the PHP has been selected, and you have to click the open. After that you have to click the next. Next, install the Composer is installing on my computer now. After next, and if you want to view the online documentation of Laravel at this moment, you have to check this, but I don't want to view this at this moment, so I am unchecking this and I have to click the finish button. The Composer has been already finished to my computer. Now I have to install another thing, that is Git. You have to write on Google Git installation. From there you have to click the downloads Git, this link. Since I am a user of Windows operating system, I have to click the Windows button there, and the Git is ready to download to my computer. I have not the necessary to install download this, because the Git has been already downloaded to my computer, so I am cancelling this. I am going to Git and I have to click the file and I have to click now yes, and you can see the installation process has been performed there. I have to click the next. There is no necessary to see the option. I am installing this default. Next, install, next, install. Git is already installed on my computer, so setup cannot continue until you close the list of those applications, closing the record. Git has been installed on my computer some previous moments ago, so I have to go to the gem folder and from there htdocs. You know, htdocs is the folder where our web projects are stored there. I wanna create a new project there. You know, a new project or any project of your local server stored in htdocs, and from there whenever we call them on our browser by typing localhost and after that slash and the project name. Here is the project name. Okay, now I want to make here a project between htdocs folder. So I have to click the right button and the git bash here, and I have to go to the Google documentation, Laravel documentation, Laravel documentation, and there you can see the link laravel.com documentation. I am clicking this. The documentation interface has been appeared on my computer. There the getting started tab you have to click. Now I am clicking the installation, and I am scrolling down my mouse to the next. It is the important thing that installation via composer. There the command line here I am selecting this, and I have to click this, copy. Now we want to go to the git bash. Here I am pasting the code which were taken from Laravel documentation installation via composer. Again, please, I am copying this, and I have to get there the composer create project Laravel example.ap, and it is the command line from documentation of Laravel link. Example app, it is the project name. You can give the another name such as project 1. I want to create a project named by project 1 after the htdocs under the gem folder, and I am hitting the enter button now. The project is created here. You have to wait there some moments until your project created. There the percentage 80%, 28%, 34%, and the percentage will be 100 within a short time. The project has been successfully created there. It is a confirmation message. Application key set successfully. Now we want to test this. Check this. I am going to C drive again, and here the exam folder and the htdocs folder. Here I can see the project 1 folder, and which has been created there already. Now we want to know the link of this project 1. So we have to click the git bash again. Now you have to write their PHP artisan serve, and you have to hit the enter button. The link has been given there, I have to copy this link. Now I am going to the browser, and there I am pasting this, and I have to hit the enter button. That's good. You can see the Laravel interface has been appeared on our computer monitor. That means the Laravel has been successfully created or successfully installed on our computer. But it's the very important things that you have to start the XAMPP control panel. If your XAMPP are not started, the local server will not work properly. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.